Lisa Fernandez is a three-time Olympian and three-time Olympic gold medalist in softball. A right-handed softball pitcher, she originally played for UCLA and was a four-time first-team All-American. In 1991, Fernandez joined Team USA and won a gold medal that same year at the Pan American Games in Havana, Cuba. Fernandez's Olympic career includes 3 consecutive gold medals from the 1996 Summer Games in Atlanta, the 2000 Games in Sydney, and the 2004 Olympic Games in Athens. At the 2000 Olympic Games in Sydney, Fernandez established a 25 strikeout record for Olympic softball. She also won a gold medal at the World Championships in 2002 and gold medals from the 1998 and 2003 Pan American Games. In 1991 and 92, Lisa Fernandez was awarded the distinction of Sportswoman of the Year. Cast your vote today and check back at teamusa.org.